Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how to collaborate with clients using TODOIST, your ultimate guide for 2025. First off, you're going to want to invite your clients to your TODOIST project. To do this, navigate to the project you want to share. Click on the Add Person icon, type in your client's email, and hit Invite. This step is crucial because it allows your clients to view, add, and complete tasks within the project, fostering collaboration and transparency. Now that we've done that, let's talk about assigning tasks. Todoist makes it easy to delegate. Just click on a task, then click Assign, and select your client's name. This helps us because it enables your clients to see exactly what they need to do and when, eliminating any confusion and keeping everyone on the same page. Next up, we'll want to set priorities. Todoist uses color-coded flags to help you prioritize tasks. Just click on a task, then click Priority, and select the appropriate flag color. The reason we do this is to ensure that both you and your client understand which tasks are most urgent and should be tackled first. Our next step involves leaving comments on tasks. This is where you can provide additional information or instructions for your client. To do this, simply click on a task and type your comment in the Add Comment section, then hit Post. Leaving comments is important because it allows for better communication and clarity, making sure nothing is left to interpretation. Lastly, let's not forget to utilize Todoist's notification system. You can set up notifications to get alerted when a client adds a task, completes a task, or leaves a comment. Just go to Settings, then Notifications, and customize your preferences. This helps us because it keeps us in the loop about project progress without constantly checking Todoist. And there you have it. Collaborating with clients using Todoist is as simple as that. By inviting clients to projects, assigning tasks, setting priorities, leaving comments, and setting up notifications, you can ensure a smooth and productive collaboration. Remember, the goal is clear and effective communication. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy tasking.